Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. This is another flip-flop style journal, and it's using various kits from various different designers. I used the Garden Story, which is from Rach and Bella Crafts and Angela Kerr. That was part of the Jigsaw Journal collaboration kit that me and lots of other ladies were involved in. So I've used some bits from there. I've used some bits and bobs from the Old Design Shop, ARTYmaze, TaylorMadeJournals. So if there's anything particular that you need to know where it came from, ask below in the comment section. So I'm just going to do like a quickish flip on this. So it measures 7.5 by 4. When folded, it is a 2-inch fold, like, I don't know, you know what you call that thickness. 2 signatures, 64 pages front and back. It is, I'm calling it Spring Garden Flip Flop Journal because it is very spring. Here we've got, I've got an envelope which is the cover, if you want to call it a cover. And I've used papers on there from, I think that was about the only stitching that I'd done was on the cover. Apart from that, it was, some tags that are in here, but there was not a lot of stitching going on. They're the tags that I made yesterday or today, can't remember when the video went up, but these are opened at the top as well, so if you wanted to put things inside there, you can do, but it's also a tuck behind there. This is from one of the kits that, like I mentioned, from the Garden Story kit. I will put a link to the whole collaboration thing below, and you can go over and you can, it's a Linktree link, and on that it will show you everybody and everything involved in that collaboration and the kits from Angela and from Rach and Bella. So here we've got some labels and butterfly from ARTYmaze. And then we open up and you've got a little bit of journal room there. And like I said, I've done these on a Craft With Me video. We've got little tags here, and that's from the Garden Story kit. This is from the Old Design Shop. We've got lovely lace trim here. Got a lacy pocket there with a butterfly. We've got these, so lovely. I love the colours. The blues and the yellows are just so pretty. And then that lace. Second ledger. This is from the Old Design Shop. We've got big tag at the back there, and this tag here. The big tag is from ARTYmaze, and the little tag there is from the Garden Story kit. We've got some square paper, this really thin paper here. Got a little top tuck there with a tag here from ARTYmaze, and a journal card. This is a little like notebook that I made. It's just an over the page thing, so you can write on that. So that goes on there like so, and then that just tucks up inside there. And that one. So yeah, the other day I'd mentioned I thought I was coming down with something. It's hay fever. Took some allergy tablets and I'm absolutely fine. Damn the summer. So that's these tags, the little window tags. They were fun to make. This is the neutral grungy kit from the Old Design Shop. You'll find a whole list of people below in the description box to their Etsy's. This is TaylorMadeJournals, and you can go over and have a little wander around their shops. Take the mouse for a wander around the shops. That is from the kit. That tag again is ARTYmaze, and that was the little embellishments that I made with the tags. We've got hearts on a string. Got another couple of tags here. So it's kind of, I've got the neutral going on with the blues and the yellows throughout the journal. And then this is old lined paper, and then that thin paper again. This will be listed in my shop, and it will have free shipping for today, which is the 18th. I think it's the 18th. So yeah, and then check out my other things I have for sale. Oops, that was the lace on there. I need to trim that off. Oh, excuse all that noise. Here we go. Then here we've got a little tuck there, and then I made these. That is a stamp, and I stamped on, I put some of the paper from the Garden Story kit onto some like cream cardstock, and then I stamped with this stamp. Don't know who that's from, it's not named, but I stamped with that, and then obviously I cut it out, and then I put a label and a butterfly and some twine on there, so that goes in there. Then that, then some ephemera here from TaylorMadeJournals, and another one of these tags, whoops, like the window envelope tags that I made. And then we go on to the second. Now you can have either way, it can be the front of these, doesn't really matter, does it? Have I just done that side? Oh no, did I? What did I do? No, I think I did. I was like, I'll confuse myself then. So we've got another window tag there. Check out my playlist called Let's Make, and we've got loads and loads of videos on there, about 230 videos. So another one of these, and I used that as a like a pocket little tag here, and that's from the Garden Story. And then so is that, another lacy pocket with a butterfly, some of that lovely lace trim on that ledger paper. Top tuck here with some French ephemera there from TaylorMadeJournals, and that just goes up there, and then that little tag there goes in there. Some more journal paper, another tag. Oh, and this is just a little book that I made, and that's one of the pieces from the Garden Story kit. Now I can't remember, oh, I've just put that through the thing. I can't remember what kit's from who, so that's why I'm going to put the link below, and you can go and check out the whole thing. The whole thing and nothing but the thing. So that's a tag there, two tags I should say. It's a bit snug. Journal space, more hearts and on a string. Little tuck there with some pieces. TaylorMadeJournals here. Actually, TaylorMadeJournals, who is Lorna, she has brought out some amazing kits, so I need to get some of them soon and play around with them. And she's linked below as well. Another little tag. Piece of ephemera. Another little tuck here with another one of these, and two journal cards there, and then we have another window tag, and then we're back to the beginning. So that is the journal, and like I said, this will be free shipping for today, which is the 18th. I think it's that way. Is that that way? I can't remember. Anyway, I'll have all the links below. I'll have the direct link to this if you're interested in this. And if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.